So what I've got here is I've got some ground or minced chicken. Very simply mix that up with a little bit of star anise powder and some dried ginger. We're going to mix that together, fry them off into little kind of burgers or balls or wherever you like it. And here I've made some very simple wasabi mayo. Let's just grab one of these. You can see they're super succulent inside. And this mayo's got a nice kick to it. Delicious. Fabulous stuff. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at this one. It's really, really simple. It's and delicious. So I've got ground or minced chicken, whatever you call that. I've got 500 grams or about 1 pound, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, which is the same thing, and then salt and pepper. And then here I've got some star anise powder and some ginger powder, like a couple of teaspoons each there, I think. Now, if you don't have star anise powder, you could use 5 spice, which is delightful. Really simply, we're just going to get that in a bowl and give it a mix. Okay, so mixing bowl. There's our chicken. There's the 1 egg. There's the corn flour or cornstarch. And that'll just kind of help bind it together with the egg. Salt and pepper. Ginger powder and the star anise or 5 spice powder. I've got a glove on. In I go. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. So I've got a frying pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using just a sunflower oil. Just get a tablespoon. Drop them in. I want quite a high heat. And you can make them as big or as small as you want. It's quite important to keep them away from each other. And you can make them, you know, really sort of fat and thick. Or do what I'm doing, which they're fairly small. These are going to cook for about 3 or 4 minutes aside. Now that also depends on, like I say, on the thickness that you've used them. And they're super easy and super delicious. So I've been turning these a few times, 3 or 4 times, and they're done. They're really, really simple to make. They're beautiful. I'm going to fetch these out. Now I've got a little bit more to do. So I'm going to do those, and then we can move on. I'm going to make some wasabi mayo, a couple of other bits to sort of go with it. But yeah, really simple. I'll just get these 3 done. So I'm just finishing off those other 3 right there. What we're going to do, as you can see, I've got a couple of tablespoons of mayo there, and I've just got some wasabi sauce here. You can get it in a tube like this, or in a pot. Now simply we're going to just chuck some in, and the amount that you put in is up to you, because remember wasabi is fairly strong. I'm going to give that a mix. And that's done. Okay, and there you go. These are absolutely fabulous, super easy to make. They're great to serve, you know, at a dinner party or something like that, or whatever you want. In fact, they're just really, really easy. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, you know, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. You know, I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, you know, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.